welcome to Louisiana Gardening Family. Today we gonna harvest some of our eggplants because they are fully loaded, and I think they's getting heavy on our eggplants.
Yeah.
So we had the green kind and we had the purple one. So we're gonna start the green one first. Be careful with the green one because this one got a sticky thing.
Like thorns or something. Oh, let me show them things. If you grab these things from the top, look at that. They really do hurt.
Yep.
Beverly knows better than I do. So we got a lot of them though. I think when we was doing our eggplant seed saving thing, it cut off on me. And what I was trying to say was, this was one of those plants that we would have dug up or took out after the spring when the summer was rolling in. But we got kind of lazy and we said, nah, we're not pulling it out. And look at the payoff for letting your plant go through that summer phase. It looks straggly. But as soon as it got a little small break in temperature from that summer heat, I would say maybe around the 1st of September, it just went crazy. Like it got a new life. And it's so much better. Look at that.
And then we never seen one like this for spring and summer.
And if we just in the spring, it really doesn't have time to become this mature type plant. But now that it's came, it used the whole spring and summer to actually root and develop a great root system to where now, I mean, this thing is like a little eggplant Christmas tree. Look at this side.
We're gonna have our purple Christmas tree, green and purple Christmas tree for summer.
And they're just all of more flowers. And they're all over. This thing is actually out back out. So you can see just how. And we don't use Miracle Grow. We haven't fertilized this thing at all. It gets water from time to time. We don't water every day either.
We kind of gardeners that's lazy to do.
But we've learned through being a lazy gardener, or through sometimes letting your plants go through certain things that you wouldn't normally see gardeners let their plants go through, you kind of learn and develop a better understanding about certain plants. Like so the eggplant and the okra plant, we found that they're really drought tolerant because this thing does dry out a lot by being a raised bed, and it doesn't really need that much fertilizer. Now we do have some plants that we do fertilize with the fish emulsion and some organic fertilizers a little more, but this eggplant, it doesn't seem to need as much. We do our fertilizing early on in the growing season. So when they're smaller plants, we do give them a little help. But after about a month or 2 months, we kind of kill the fertilization process, or that we do, as far as the amount of fertilizing, and just let the plant go for its own. Cool. And they're all over the ground.
Yes, they go. Look how beautiful it is.
Oh yeah.
This is our purple and green.
Now we're gonna probably let one of these go to seed for us. We haven't chose which one yet, but the rest of them we will be taking them.
Look how much we got.
Of course, ma'am.
And we got one in the
Look
other
at those colors.
They're beautiful. And this is the stage where I really like to pick them.
Pintung long.
Because I don't like seed
Yeah, she likes to pick them before the seeds start coming in, the eggplants.
It's gonna be good with the eggs. All you have to do is boil it and then like a little mash it, then put the egg in there and then fry it.
People gonna be mad at you. You always saying what to do, but we never do cooking videos too much anymore.
You don't want,
I'm busy.
because we don't have.
Look at our little friend eating some bugs for us, huh?
Because we don't have no like space in our thing right now.
Yeah, I'm busy. Every time I say we're gonna do something, somebody calls me, work calls me, and then I have to leave, and we never get to do the videos.
Right.
So we'll get there though. I like that as the spring goes or the fall goes and the winter comes, things start to slow down a little bit, even at work, and I'm able to do a little bit more talking. So that's our update on our Pentung longs and Louisiana green eggplants. So we're gonna stop this video. We're gonna publish this right here, and then we're gonna go over and check out
our roselle.
Roselle.
It's almost time to harvest roselle. They
Cool.
so beautiful.
We're gonna give them a let's do an update day. We gotta do cassava update. We're gonna do our roselle update, and then hey, maybe
And our okras, they turning brown. I said we're gonna have a lot of seed pods. On
yeah,
our okras.
we'll meet some people around town and give them some seeds,
Yes.
and then we might as well go ahead onto the greenhouse and do one. So a lot of videos gonna upload today. We're gonna try. No editing.
Yep.
No editing. Let's go. Peace. Grow, grow, grow.